a picture frame manufacturing company. So he'd go over there, and he just kind of fell in love with the whole Southeast Asia culture. So when he retired, he actually moved. He lived in Thailand for a while, and then he's lived in the Philippines for about the last probably 10 years, I guess. And so he started a nonprofit over there where there's a lot of kids and a lot of families that are just too poor to even allow their kids to go to a public school. So he has a charity where he gets donations from different people like me and other people here to kind of help that. So he's got like 210 kids that he's supporting being able to go to school. So, and he's doing all kinds of other stuff like helping put in solar and Starlink and all different things to these schools to get them to have internet and power and that kind of stuff. So he's loving it. He doesn't act like he ever wants to come back here, so I guess he likes it.
Sounds like a real nice guy.
But the cost of living over there is so crazy low. I mean, he has like an in-house cook. He has he has all these people working for him, and he was telling me and he pays them like way over the kind of a normal wage, and it's just so crazy how low the cost of living is over there. So there is, not a ton, but there's a lot of Americans over there because, they'll retire and, they get on a fixed income or whatever. And so their money goes a lot further over there. So there's quite a bit of that. And almost everybody speaks English over there. So that's nice too. He lived in Thailand for about 7 or 8 years, and I went over to Thailand 3 times while he was there, and I love Thailand, but very few people speak English, so it's a little harder to get around unless you have somebody with you that speaks both. But in Philippines, it's pretty easy. Everybody speaks English for the most part. SPX is chopping nicely.
Love about 5 or 6 points down.
Bitcoin started to take off, but it's kind of tapered off.
I don't know if you saw my post in my channel, but I was watching Charles Payne. You ever watch him?
I saw your post. I wasn't sure. No, I don't know who that is.
You know who Charles Payne is?
I'm sure if I saw him, I'd recognize him. I don't recognize the name.
Yeah, the Big Money Show. Does the Big Money Show? Black guy, the African American guy that's on Fox News Business, kind of gray hair.
Yeah, I know who it is. Yeah.
Yeah. He had some lady on there that was talking about the Fibonacci candles and a trade on Netflix that she told everybody to do that apparently a couple weeks ago that now is real profitable. It was just like the swing trading. Yeah. And she was like, how'd you learn to do all this? He was like that. Like, we should have Steve on here.
Did she say navigation trading?
Yeah. Yesterday I was watching the Big Money Show, and Charles Payne said that there was a stock where he was telling everybody to buy a few months ago. I can't remember what it was, but it's exploded. And he's like, yeah, I went out and bought a new watch from he's like, I got rid of some of my shares. And the lady said, well, how much did that watch cost? He had it on. Apparently he collects watches. That's one thing he does. $75,000. It's like, jeez, what are you getting paid there? 75 grand on a watch?
Well, it was probably It wasn't Hood, was it?
It was, gosh, I've heard of it, but I've never traded it. Just can't remember. But it has had like a, I don't know, it was like 30 or 40% increase since he told everybody to buy the stock.
NTC. I bought 45 million shares of Navigation Trading Coin. Get in at the ground level. It's hot. It's the next hot crypto. Actually forgot about it till Lando just reminded me.
Not much movement here in the last 30 minutes. Just one good drop.
Not much news again tomorrow. Existing home sales 30 minutes after the market opens. And then Thursday, unemployment claims, PMI, new home sales. And Friday, durable goods.
I hear you, Moel. Just when you think it's going to come down, it goes back up.
It's just hanging out right above pre-market highs. Tesla had that nasty sell-off with most things, but it was kind of the first to really start bouncing, and it's been pretty strong all day. Pulling back a little bit now. You had a little happy accident, Watson. A little Bob Ross trade.
It wouldn't take much of a down move to make these Woogas profitable. Just a little bit down.
Oh yeah, Krish, I saw that. Pattern day trade rule might move from 25,000 down to 2,000.
Really?
Yep.
That would be spectacular. When will we know that?
I don't know. I saw somebody posted something on Twitter. I didn't have time, so I just kind of breezed over it last night. I meant to dig back in. Chris just posted an article. I'm not sure if that details it.
Timeline remains uncertain, it says.
Oh, there you go.
Potentially pushing implementation into late 2025 or early 2026.
So Lex from Tradier, actually, this was probably 6 months ago. He asked me to submit one of those comments to FINRA, which I did. I thought it was a waste of time because I was like, they've taken so many times. People have taken a run at this to try to get it eliminated, and it always fails. But he claimed that there was something really brewing this time, so I went ahead and did it, and it looks like maybe it's going to happen. We'll see.
Well, you should have done this a long time ago then.
What's that?
If all it took was Steve from Navigation Trading to get this changed, you should have done that a long time ago.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was me that put it over the edge this time. Oh, Tony says Q4. Okay. Potentially pushing implementation into late 2025 or early 2026, it says. Yeah, I don't know. I don't understand the the rule altogether. Not sure why they're keeping it even at 2,000, but whatever. Better than 25K.
This push up is hurting.
New high o day. Russell is up over 1% now.
Each tick higher is more and more painful.
DDB still slightly in range, but basically at break even now. I don't think I got stopped on any. Let me double check. No, because the stop on the call side is 550%, so. No stoppage yet. Oh, on the put? So that 215 was the 215, 115 my time. That that was the bar that pushed down. So you got did it stop like as soon as you entered? Because see that 5-minute bar right there, that's the only one that would have had any danger at all of doing something like that. So it must have. Let's see, mine got in. My 115 filled. Yeah, mine filled 2 seconds after. 115 in 2 seconds. So I wonder if you went in a couple minutes early. There's a little dip. Keep her dipping.
Yeah, need it more than that. And need it to stay down.
Yeah, so let's look at SPX on a 1 minute chart here. So 15 was right here. That's 16, yeah. Yeah, I wasn't watching it, but yeah, mine didn't get stopped. So it definitely 115 was before that big drop. And I got in before that big drop, but and when I say big, it was from 05 down to 97, so 9 points. But yeah, no stoppage for me. Doesn't look like discount double checks on here. Anybody else doing the DDB?
Moel, you had a Wooga hit profit target? I'm doing your Woogas. I got one that's up 2%, and that's the best one.
Moel has a lot of secret Woogas he didn't tell you about.
Obviously. What time was that one entered?
2:36 p.m.
Mine was entered 1 minute before that and is up 2%. Huh. No, my strikes are the 6310, 6310, 6305. Here's the 15s and 10s, yeah. Price would come down. It would probably hit really quickly. Just not getting any sustained down movement here.
Got about 4.5 minutes till MOC.
I fully expect...
Theta Junkie in the house. Laura, what's going on? Have your Bics rebounded at all? I had a good Bic week last week. Helped get out of the Bic drawdown a little bit. Sorry, Chad, cut you off. What were you saying?
Well, I was going to say, I fully expect a big red bar as soon as this bar closes here. It's when my bot will close my trade.
Oh yeah, well that's just a guarantee. That's how that works. You size up, you take a loss. You size down, you get a win. That's like the golden rule of trading.
Keep coming down. This is the first time I've traded your one DTE, and it was a winner.
Oh yeah, why'd you decide to do that?
Just to be back tested and not something I just let the bot control, so I can focus on TLC and decide for right now.
Yeah, keep in mind the back test has not been looking so hot. So I still enter based on the back test, but a lot of times I'll transform it or do something like that.
Yeah, up it goes again. Oh.
What am I looking at there, Laura? Is that your current drawdown? Oh, I see what you're saying. I gotcha. So Tuesday, the July 1st, you were at full size. Then about mid-month, looks like you sized down.
1 minute to go now till we get the market on close imbalance data.
1 minute till MOC. I'll turn on my volume here. Hopefully we get a little down move. Today was a banner day. I'm basically going to break even or small red today. Oh.
Ten seconds. Market on close imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 233 million, Nasdaq 100 sell side 41 million, Dow 30 sell side 9.2 million, and Mag 7 buy side 41.9 million.
Small sell side on the S&P.
Voice news disconnected.
Nice little down move.
Yeah, what time does this one DTE close?
Mine closes at 56, so like 4 minutes before the market closes. I'm at 38%. Guess it might not get to my 45% profit target. Could use a little down move as well.
Yeah, my WOOG is closed. One closed at 18% profit, and the other was a 46% loss, so net loser.
A little more dippy. I need a little bit more of a dip. 63.10 is the sweet spot.
I did end green for the day.
Green is good.
Yep, 1,800 in one account and 600 in the other. Woogas took a little bit away.
Yeah, that little dip getting bought up.
Built on the Mahomes butterfly. The 15s filled at 215.
Nice. I don't have any strikes available.
What was the MOC number again?
It was small sell. On the S&P, it was
Okay.
175 million sell side. Mag 7 was a small buy side. Sitting at 63.12. A little bit below 12. I like it. I like what we're doing here. Down to 11. Elliott hitting Woogas. Getting close to 10. Getting close to my sweet spot. Still have 5 minutes. One DTE should be closing in 30 seconds. It's at 40%. Bouncing back up to 12. Chad, you get locked and it got down to 10?
No, sure didn't. I wish.
63.10 is my sweet spot discount.
It was real close.
There goes my one DTE. Plus 1470, plus 41% on the one DTE. Just shy of hitting profit target, but I'll take it.
Needs to get back down. It's going the wrong direction.
I assume same for you, discount? Elliot said he got stopped on one of his put sides, his very first one, or one of his tranches. Did one of yours get stopped? Mine survived. Still in bed. Okay. You feeling okay? Oh, okay. Oh, back up to 15. I don't like that.
Right.
SPX heading for highs.
Of the valley.
Yuck. Yucky bar right there.
Yep.
A little bit less than 2 minutes, hanging around 63.15.
Which is dead center of my Mahomes Valley.
Break even on the DDBs right at about 1677-ish. So anything below that would be profitable.
Ugh. Mahomes is going to get benched.
Down under 14.
I was pennies away from getting locked. Back to the center.
I've seen Mahomes do some miraculous things in 30 seconds, Chad.
You know.
Down to 13. Here we go. 12. Let's go. 11. See, just when you count Mahomes out, Chad, don't do it. There you go. That's why it's called the Mahomes, baby. And I might pin here.
Magical.
I might pin the DDB. 5 seconds. Ring the bell. Ring it.
Magical. Order canceled.
Oh, back up. 6309.55. About as close
Thank
to
you,
a
Mahomes.
pin as you can get. About as close as you can get on the DDB. Beautiful. Love it. Discount. That's why they call you the DDB. All right, all. That's a wrap for the day. I will be streaming live at the market open tomorrow for day trading. Be back for Power Hour. Everybody have a good night. Take care. Cheers.